Hi, welcome back. I hope the concepts of foundation and programming are clear to you. Do you find them exciting? Okay. Now let's move to the third section. We are going to talk about outcomes, right? So, what are outcomes? I did explain to you earlier. They are something you can almost call them goals or objectives, but there is a way you approach for outcomes which is different from the way you approach goals and objectives, because outcomes you approach with a specific state of mind, so you are bound to achieve them. Already you remember the five states of individuals I told in the first section: best state, above average, average, below average, destructive. So when you come from those states and you set outcomes, and now that you know about the values, beliefs, and your programming, you are not going to fail, right? You are bound to achieve it. Now these outcomes, two things. One is you can set it for any area in your life, which we discussed earlier. Please recollect the wheel of life or the pizza. You take any of those areas, you can have your own defined outcomes. That is number one. So for each area, you can have not one, multiple outcomes you can set. Okay. Second thing, the outcomes which you set can be either short term or long term. So you can say, suppose my health, you can say I will become very fit in the next 1 year. Or you can say, for example, wealth. You can say, I will earn 10 million in the next 3 years. So these are all outcomes. Similarly, you take learning and personal growth. You can say, I can become a doctor in the next 5 years. I'll become an engineer in the next 5 years. So these are short term and long term objectives. Now, when you decide on objectives, it is just not that you decide them blindly. No, there is a scientific way. When I said you are not going to fail, there is also some process involved in this. What that process does is you just make sure when you set outcomes that they are real. Okay, that it is not something you are visualizing or you are taking it out of the blue somewhere, something no, without any realistic approach. Second thing is you also are aware it has been achieved by somebody else before, and you know exactly what you want to achieve when you set an outcome. And not only you know exactly what you want to achieve, you also know it is for real. And once you know all these things, just go for it. And the outcome is there to be achieved. Now, having spoken about outcomes, I'll have a mini question and answer session now, because I want to continue with the outcomes. Something slightly I want to add, which I'll have after a small break. Okay? Thank you very much. Hi, welcome back to Outcomes. I hope you enjoyed the question and answer sessions. We now know what are outcomes, and two things about outcomes is you can set them for any specific area under your wheel of life or in your life. And second thing, they can be either short term or long term outcomes. Now comes the challenge. Do you think all outcomes, the moment you set, you can achieve them straight away? I doubt. Because, like when you embark on a journey, say you climb a mountain, for example, you encounter a lot of challenges on the way, right? It's not going to be a cakewalk. You will struggle. There will be a lot of difficulties. That's why it's called, normally anything which is tough in life, what do we call them? It's an uphill task. It's not easy. But there is a nice uh, tactic you can apply so that the probabilities of your achieving your outcomes are always very, very high. What is that? Uh, have you heard of uh, the sport called long jump? What do we do? We come running, we make a big jump, which is say 6 meters, 8 meters. I don't know, world record is I think somewhere around 8 or 9 meters. I'm not sure. But when the jump is required to be made for a greater distance, what do? Is it possible? Say humans have a limitation, right? If you have to make a long jump, you cannot do it. Okay, there may be a variation of few millimeters or centimeters between two people. But a world record is a world record which cannot be broken. It can be broken by a few millimeters or centimeters. You would have also heard of something similar to long jump called triple jump, right? So what do we do in triple jump? Instead of one jump, we take 3 steps, and the third jump is the jump which takes you to your targeted distance. So as a result, what happens? You are able to make a much longer jump than a normal long jump. This is what you have outcomes. You may have a 5-year outcome. There may be a lot of challenges. What do? These 5 years outcomes, you split them into smaller outcomes. Something very similar to triple jump I mentioned to you. What do you do in the first year? What do you do from first year to third year? What do you do in the fourth year? Or what do you do at the end of the fifth year so that your outcome is achieved? We can take any example. Suppose you want to be the best trainer or proficient in a specific area, no, which you want to make it as your niche area in training. What do? There are few things you have to handle, right? One is you have to become an expert. Second is you have to develop network. Third is you may have to do a lot of marketing. Fourth is you may have to gain some experience. All these things, when you keep on doing constantly, it will take you to the final destination or your dream, because your dream is to be the best. So if you split your outcome or the challenges into something like installments, make a plan, do one by one step at a time, we say, right? So these are all things which enable you to reach the outcome and at the same time not feel the pinch or the burden. And even if you are stuck somewhere, the first 2-3 mini outcomes you would have already achieved. No need to go back. In the absence of this strategy, what happens is, anywhere you are stuck, you have to start from the scratch again, right? So friends, for outcomes, there are few things I already mentioned. This is very, very critical. If these are followed scientifically the way I explained to you, no outcome will be a difficult task. No asking is too big. Thank you. We'll have another question and answer session.